Good afternoon to all. I am Lalita from Department of Computer Applications in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this video, we are discuss about the case study. In this video, we are discuss about the case study. The case study, we have to analyze the topic simplifying the code management using the C preprocessor. Simplify the code management using the C preprocessor. C preprocessor is the default files. We have to create the preprocessor for make the data in very simple. For using the preprocessor, we using the keywords of C programming. We can the redundant the code problem, portability issue, difficult to enabling, disabling features to development. In this case, C project developers face the problems like the redundant code, portability issues, and difficulty in enabling the features of development. Problem statement are maintaining the multiple versions of code, debug and productions, using constant through the program leads the error when values to be needed. Repeated code. When we have to use the repeated code like a square, maximize, minimize, like the mathematical calculations, we can create the pre-processing statement. Because through the pre-processing statement, we can minimize the code, minimize the code. The raw data resource of C source files, header files, configurations file. Pre-processing processes are three kinds of preprocessor. First one is a file inclusions, macro definitions, conditional completions. File inclusions as include is mainly used for header file. Then whatever kind of header file we need, we can access through the as included. Macro definitions is define the function where we needed what we needed, like a mathematical calculations and any extra coding systems, extra source file needed, we can define. Conditional operations completions is mainly used for our mathematical calculations. Let's discuss briefly with our students. Thank you. We can cover these types of problems. Raw data resources are required data are C source files, header files, configurations files, pre-processing actions, file inclusions that include macro definitions and conditional compilations. File inclusion. We can add as include sdu.h, honio.h, string.h, math.h, like that. The sdu.h, honio.h, string.h, math.h is also called as a pre-processing file. The software requires a logging mechanism. The software project requires a logging mechanism that can operate across different operating systems, providing varying level of based on build configurations. Preprocessor applications. Conditional comparison for platform. If and end-if devices include the code debugging preprocessor and macros. It is macros defines the AWS calls, macro Linux logging applications API calls. The hash includes directories copied to header files containing the format declarative functions, prototypes, and other preprocessor definitions promoting code organizations and reusability. This process is used to applying the data to reduce the relevant imperfections.
Processor in C. The preprocessor is a step in the C compilation process that occurs before the actual compilations of code. It performs preliminary operations on the course code such as including header files, defining macros and condition compilations. Key features preprocessor in C. Hash includes header file into the source code. Hash defines macros which are replaced with the definition during preprocessor. Conditional compilation allows code to be included or excluded based on condition using directives like /if_def, /if_ndef, /if, /else and /endef. Benefits of preprocessor in C. Code reused. Header files can be included in multiple source files. Macros. Simplified code and reduced repetitions. Condition compilations. Allows for platform specific or future specific code.